Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a street dog named Rusty. Rusty was a medium-sized, scruffy-looking dog with a rusty brown coat, a wagging tail, and a friendly disposition. He spent his days wandering the streets, scavenging for food, and finding shelter wherever he could. Rusty didn't have a home or a family to call his own. He was born on the streets, and the streets were all he knew. But despite his difficult circumstances, Rusty remained optimistic and resilient. He had a keen sense of survival, and he knew how to adapt to different situations. One day, Rusty was wandering near a local market when he smelled the delicious scent of meat. He followed his nose and found himself in front of a food stall. The owner, a kind-hearted woman named Maria, saw Rusty's sad, hungry face and took pity on him. She gave him a piece of chicken, and from that day on, Rusty became a regular visitor to her stall. Over time, Rusty and Maria developed a bond. Maria would save scraps of food for Rusty, and Rusty would keep an eye on her stall, barking to alert her of any potential thieves. Maria even made him a makeshift bed out of old blankets, which Rusty gratefully used on cold nights. Despite the comfort of having a regular source of food and a makeshift bed, Rusty never forgot that he was a street dog. He continued to roam the city, making friends with other street dogs and exploring different neighborhoods. He knew the dangers of the streets, but he also knew that there was beauty and kindness to be found. One day, Rusty was wandering near a park when he saw a young girl crying. She had lost her balloon, and she was devastated. Rusty walked up to her, wagging his tail, and licked her hand. The girl smiled through her tears and hugged Rusty, who wagged his tail even harder in response. From that day on, the girl would look for Rusty whenever she visited the park, and Rusty would always be there, ready to greet her with a wagging tail and a lick. Years passed, and Rusty grew old. He could no longer run as fast as he used to, and his eyesight and hearing were not as sharp. But he had lived a full life, one filled with adventure, friendship, and kindness. When Rusty passed away peacefully in his sleep, Maria and the young girl were both there to say goodbye. They buried him in a quiet corner of the park, where he had spent so many happy days. And though Rusty was gone, his memory lived on, as a reminder of the beauty and resilience of street dogs everywhere.